2021 Infiniti QX80 vs Monograph concept. With the lineup for the 2020 season mostly unchanged, the expectations are huge from the 2021 Infiniti QX80. The largest SUV in the company's portfolio is heading to the new era, based on the latest platform. The Monograph concept is going to underpin the upcoming QX80. Well, if the SUV adopts a minor share of the architecture, we can expect big things. The vehicle had the latest facelift in 2017. After only a year, the carmaker introduced the Monograph concept. It is the platform for all the future big SUVs by this carmaker. The 2021 Infiniti QX80 is not the only vehicle that will suffer significant changes, but also the QX60. The concept is very attractive. It is not too futuristic, so we can imagine the new QX80 being similar to what we say in 2018. Still, there are some other changes the new architecture is bringing. Infiniti made a break in development for 2020 to focus on electric drivetrains for the 2021 season. The big rig could set up a challenge to its rivals since there is no full-size SUV with hybrid or all-electric drivetrain in the market yet. On the other hand, forget about the diesel engine. Nissan discontinued the only such unit from its lineup in the US. 2021 Infiniti QX80 specs. Whatever happens, the base drivetrain for the 2021 Infiniti QX80 will remain a 5.6-liter V8 engine. It is the largest unit Nissan has to offer to its standard and premium lineup. The biggest vehicles in the family are using it: Titan truck, Armada SUV, and QX80 premium SUV. A petrol power plant is producing 400 HP and 415 lb-ft of torque. That is more than the most competitors using a V8 drivetrain. With a 5.6 engine on, drivers of the 2021 Infiniti QX80 can count on 8,500 pounds of towing capacity. Power is being sent through a 7-speed automatic transmission to rear wheels. A 4-wheel drive is optional, but it harms the fuel economy. It drops to 15 mpg with 4WD. Standard 2WD is not too much better with 16 miles per gallon. Diesel, turbo engine, and a hybrid. There are a lot of rumors about the new power plants for the 2021 Infiniti QX80. There are some certified details about the development, but nothing is certain yet. As said, we know the company is shifting a focus on hybrid and electric power. But, we don't know what kind of a petrol engine could be the base for this one. According to some sources, engineers are considering a turbocharged V6 power plant to replace a V8. This one would have a tough task to match the performance by a larger engine. Well, Ford managed to do so on its Expedition and Lincoln Navigator. Finally, there are a lot of rumors about the diesel unit. Infiniti chiefs never responded about it, but the latest moves are writing off the chances of this happening anytime soon. First, the focus is on electric and hybrid power. Then, the only suitable engine for a large SUV was a 5.0L turbo diesel V8 on the Titan XD truck. It is discontinued for the 2020 season and we can't see it back so soon. Well, its power and torque outputs could perfectly fit on the 2021 Infiniti QX80, but emissions are the concern. 2021 Infiniti QX80 changes. With the new platform, the 2021 Infiniti QX80 will introduce the fresh design, outside and inside. The Monograph concept is waiting for the upcoming SUV and it is just a question how many features the QX80 will use. The company advertises it as the future for all its SUVs. With the concept already out and the new model coming next season, it is a perfect time for implementing. Highlights of the new architecture are large wheels, grille, and air openings. Well, the production version is not going to carry 24-inch wheels, that is for sure. The interior is coming with even more changes. Well, the level of technology is taking another step. Chiefs in the Japanese company unveiled plans of development for the Level 4 autonomous drive. Nissan is not the only carmaker after this technology since BMW did the same. The 2021 Infiniti QX80 will remain a 3-row SUV with space for 7 persons. If you need more seating spots, bench replaces chairs in the middle row, increasing the capacity to 8. Total cargo space will be increased from the current 95 cubic feet. Release date and price. A debut of the 2021 Infiniti QX80 is planned for the final quarter of 2020. The entire industry is waiting for updates about the big SUV. The price of the premium model goes up a bit from the current level. The new unit will start closer to $80,000. Depending on the equipment, the cost can reach $100,000 with autonomous drive and a hybrid drivetrain.